Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by drawing the essential shapes, an oval for the eyeball and a light almond for the eyelid. Use a 2B pencil so you can build tone without harsh lines. This gives flexibility to erase and refine. Once the basic forms sit correctly, mark the center line and the pupil location so proportions stay consistent. Make sure to note the light source now. This determines highlights and shadow placement later, so your eye reads three-dimensional rather than flat. Now refine the contours and start adding value. You define the eyelid folds and the tear duct with varied line weight, thicker where shadow falls, thinner on highlights to imply depth. For the iris, use short radial strokes emanating from the pupil and preserve a highlight by avoiding that area while shading. Darken the outer rim about 30 to 40% more to anchor the eye. Once done, add the shadow cast by the upper lid and softly smudge transitions, so the form reads convincingly rounded. Finish by placing lashes and final highlights to sell realism. You draw lashes with confident, tapered strokes that attach at the lash line and vary in length and curve. This prevents a uniform, artificial look. Use a kneaded eraser to lift small highlights and increase contrast by about 10 to 20% where needed, making the eye pop. If something looks off, check symmetry and soften any hard edges. Reblend those zones, and you'll find the eye reads much more natural and lively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.